What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. Long time no see. Forgive my mall Santa-esque appearance. I know it kind of looks like I just got rescued off of an island somewhere, but been super busy. Been making big changes in my life, and I'm making big changes to the channel as well. I'm sure you recognize this place. It's Nice Pants Lance headquarters. And as you can tell from all the snow on the ground, we are in mid-February, but just like Western New York, we always have little breaks of good weather and good temperatures. Only issue is all that dang salt on the road, and that's what stops most of us Western New Yorkers from riding. But you know what? It's mid-40s right now, the sun is out, and you know, I've been so busy, I really need to get out and get some throttle therapy, you know what I mean? This time, I'm not just going for a little putt around town. I think it's time that I got out of here and started the next chapter of our adventure. We made a lot of memories here. We broke a lot of things here. Fixed a lot of things here. Made countless hours of videos. Oil changes to performance modifications. All done in this small driveway in this cluttered garage. As they say, when one door closes, another opens. It's time to move on to greener pastures. All right, Triumph Speed Twin. It's been a while. You know what? Another essential part of this process is turning these heated grips on. Woo! Alright, it's been a while. Well, here we are, Nice Pants Lance headquarters. Woo! First ride of the season. Well, there you have it. While I wasn't making videos, I was stressing out over buying this house. But now that I got this beautiful garage, I plan on making a ton of content. So expect a lot of big changes, new scenery, open roads, more videos. I hope to get back on track with a video schedule soon. Aside from the house, I definitely am going to be changing my video format. Unfortunately, I won't be recording in 4K anymore. Because I'm out in the country, we get terrible cell phone reception and internet, so it's kind of put a hardship on uploading stuff to YouTube. I'm cutting the video quality down to 1080p so I can get those videos uploaded quicker, because quite frankly, it would take a whole day to get a feature-length 4K video on the internet. So more changes to come, but thanks to everyone who continues to support me and watch my videos. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.